Please, I want to withdraw.
Hey, so you cannot even greet.
And what does that have to do with the money I'm withdrawing?
Oh, Billy!
No be your fault. How much you want withdraw?
It's 10,000 naira.
10,000 naira is 5,000 naira.
So give me 5,000, 10,000. Oga, give me my card, ma, they go POS plenty.
It's not your fault. This way they follow me yab now. You will follow me talk this rubbish for January, February. I meet no good day.
Only you sabi money for waiting.
Take your ATM and go.
Give me my card, the POS plenty now. For this cash, we don't yakpa for Nigeria here. For the both things.
I say, come.
You think say they wise?
Come. It's not your fault. So let me just do it for you for 1,000 naira.
Madam, now 200 naira get me.
Are you playing?
200 naira for 10,000 naira. In fact, take your card. You go see for front. You go see for front. Or you go see that is that close. And so you no vex.
Use small voice, not they command me. Let me do am for free now. Do am.
Like I don't understand.
You did it.
I have to do am for free. See na papa put me for here.
He shock you.
Hey, so do you even know how much they are selling this thing? Hey, take your kidney and go for front. Waiting happen now. You and go far away. Don't even come back for me. Don't come back. You go. I will carry this thing going by. I will go and just yam. If I will doing, in fact, I will leave this POS work and be doing pito. Auntie,
you don't know why it's going on.
Now, it's like
We just pray.
don't worry, I don't need the cash again. Don't worry, God will help you.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.